In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, customized workspace that actually matches how your business runs, instead of the other way around. Let's start with the core configuration. Once you've logged into your Zoho CRM account, look for the gear icon, usually in the top right corner. Click that to open settings, then go into company settings. This is where you'll put in some of the basic information that shapes how your CRM behaves. Upload your company logo so it appears across the system and on key screens. This isn't just cosmetic, it helps your team immediately recognize they're in the right workspace. Next, set your time zone to match where your main operations are. This is important because it affects activity timestamps, reminders, and reports. Finally, choose your primary currency. Make sure this matches how you quote and report revenue so your deals and forecasts are accurate from day one. Now let's customize your pipeline so it reflects your real sales process. Go back to Settings, then choose Customization, and then Pipelines. You'll see a standard pipeline already there. Click into that. By default, Zoho adds generic stages, but you don't have to keep them. Rename stages so they match the actual steps your leads go through, like initial contact, qualified, proposal sent, or negotiation. If there are stages you never use, delete them. Keeping only the stages that matter makes your reports clearer and helps your team know exactly where each deal stands. Next, we'll clean up your fields so your screens aren't cluttered. From Settings, go to Customization, then Modules and Fields. Click on Leads, then choose Standard Layout. Here, you'll see all the fields that appear when you're viewing or creating a lead. Many of these may not be relevant to your business. To remove one, click the three dots on the right side of that field and select Remove. Go through and clear out anything your team doesn't need to fill in. This makes data entry faster and reduces mistakes. When you're done, make sure to click Save to apply your layout changes. Finally, let's import your existing data. Click the Leads tab at the top of Zoho CRM. In the Leads area, look for the Import option, then choose Import Leads. Upload your CSV file with your leads. Zoho will ask you to map each column in your file to a field inside the CRM. Take your time here and double-check that names, email addresses, phone numbers, and other key details are matched correctly. When everything looks good, click Finish. Zoho will process the file and pull your leads into the system, ready for your team to start working.